Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 11th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the Aussie dollar, I want to start off on the 4-hour because if this does break structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level, I potentially would go back to looking for shorts. But because the weekly trend is up based on structure and the daily market is up based on market flow, I definitely would still be looking for longs. We do not have a break to the downside at a Fibonacci level yet. I would expect this very sideways price action to likely be a pullback within the uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is where I got my Fibonacci retracement from here to here because this is definitely the last impulsive move. So if we're in a correction, then most likely it's a correction to the last impulsive move. We got a pretty impulsive down, we got a very corrective up. I does look like on the 1 hour it could pop down a little, but I personally wouldn't be trading based on that because it definitely doesn't have to go down like that. I mean, it's already made a fib bounce. It could possibly just keep on drifting up. So I definitely would have a long bias. I definitely would be looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.